was one of the best affiliate programs to ever hit Kenya, considering it was really easy to make money. I mean, look at my account. This is the account that I'm currently using, my current account with that I have with Jumia Kenya. As you can see, there is still commission pending. The reason why you're seeing no conversions is because, unfortunately, these guys closed Kenya. For example, if you try to go to advertising and try to see, you can see your account has been deactivated for all countries. Yes, and they did that with money inside. Yeah, so there are still some commissions to be approved that were inside. So that kind of become an issue, like what happens to now some of the websites that I had built with sole purpose of making money through Jumia affiliates. So now I figured, okay, if they've closed in Kenya, are there any other platforms out there that they could still be active? And the answer is yes. Jumia is active in Nigeria. Yes, Jumia is active in Nigeria, and turns out you can sign up as a Jumia affiliate for Nigeria. So I'm going to log out my account now and sign up for Jumia Nigeria, and show you how you can do that as well, and of course start making some money. So all you have to do is go to jumia.com.ng. That's the official website of Jumia of Nigeria. Scroll down. The reason why you would consider doing this is Nigerians, they are millions, so these guys, they love the internet, and I'm assuming it can be really easy to make money with affiliates in Nigeria. I haven't made anything so far, but of course I haven't tried. I just signed up, and I thought I should share with you guys that that's something that you can do. So once you're in Jumia Nigeria, come here and click join Jumia call program. Of course I've already signed up for me, but if you haven't, just click sign up. Once you're here, give out your first name, last name, email, password, select country. Make sure you select Nigeria, otherwise if you choose Kenya, you won't proceed. So make sure you choose, where is Nigeria? There is Nigeria. Make sure you can even provide a Kenyan phone number. And when you see that, as you can see, when you select Nigeria, this thing it becomes active affiliate, individual or a business. Unfortunately for Kenya, when before they actually closed it, they were starting to be picky. Like new signups wouldn't be able to pick this. They were only looking for mega influencers, so these guys with 100k plus followers. So once you've chose that, provide the link to your social media. So what you can do here is, if you have a Facebook page, copy the URL and paste it here. Or if you have a website, just type it there, and then make sure you tick this box that you've read and agreed to terms and conditions, and then click register. Once you've registered, you can log in. Now the login is no different than what we already know, what you are already used to. Maybe the only difference is that, as you can see, this one is in euros. Yeah, that's the euros. It's just look like exactly the same thing, but let's test the offers. As you can see now, it allows me to choose. Make sure the country is Nigeria, and yes, you have access to these offers. Now before I show you a trick on how to make your first Naira fast if you're in Kenya, maybe you need to fill some information. As you can see, for me it's asking me please update your payment information. I haven't done that yet because I'm still thinking, okay, where or how do I get a Nigerian bank account? Yeah, like if you know, kindly please let me know in the comments, because I'm still thinking. As you can see, there is only payout methods only available in Nigeria is a bank transfer, and you need to fill out this information. So bank name, bank account, Swift currency, Nigerian, so I'm still thinking, okay, because of the Swift code here, I think I can still use a Kenyan bank account, because if you, for example, if you are a user of Equity, they have the Swift code, so you can just input it here. I think this is something that I'm still testing. I haven't decided what to do with it yet. Now, so that's right about it. Signing up is straightforward. There is no waiting for whatever's. I hope this sticks around. I hope they won't close it. And yes, so now after you've signed up, what do? So you start promoting. So you can do custom links or offers. Now in Kenya, we had issues with custom links in the sense that when you use custom links, they don't work on mobile. So it means that when you create a custom link, say I want to promote a specific product, say this drink here, William Lawson's, yes, let's copy this. You copy the link, you come to custom links, generate a link, Jumia, this is Nigeria, paste the link here, and then now that link, this now is a trackable link, copy and share. Now the issue that we had in Kenya with custom links is if you send this to someone and they buy on mobile or app, you won't make anything. So that was the issue. But now I don't know if this exists, if that issue still exists in Nigeria, but just to be on the safe side, I would use offers. So if I wanted to promote phones, for example, I would look for something close to that. And now on Jumia, yes, itel official store, official stores, Samsung phones deals. So I would pick something that's close to that. So it could be this one, and then copy, and then you start sharing. Now what you can do after signing up is to pick is to start a Nigerian blog. So an initial way to do that is just register a blog in Nigeria. You can do that through one of the best web hosting companies in Nigeria. That's it's not even one of the best, it is the best. TrueHost, it's very cheap. As you can see, the .com domain is just 12,000 naira. So just go to truehost.com, come to domains, and then now you proceed with the registration. So for example, we can say paste products.com.ng. I want to see how much that is. I hope it's available. But while that is loading, we can look at the we are very sorry, the best products .com.ng is taken, but we can look at the web hosting packages here. The cheapest one is Silver, that's 1400 naira per month. That's how much Kenyan shilling per month. That's 110. It's very cheap. But what I noticed is they offer free .com domain, so you can just register this and pay using your M-Pesa Global Pay, and continue making money with Jumia. So that's right about it. If you have any question or any suggestion, please let me know in the comments. Bye.